Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for always following my videos, liking them, and also sharing them for other guys. So thank you for doing that. I hope you guys are learning something for these videos. Yeah, so basically today we're going to learn how to make breakfast with bananas and some other things which you will see later on as we start preparing other things. So basically this is a very nice recipe for a breakfast. So we shall be using our bananas. They already peeled into this state, so make sure before you start anything you first peel them to put them into this state, as you can see. So we are going to use some tomatoes, we're going to use some onions, and together with what? Green pepper. Yes. So we shall use some French beans, as you can see them. We shall use also some carrots. Then you need curry powder, or basically we shall use Royco in this recipe. And together we shall use some salt, just like that. Then we shall use some vegetable oil. Then we can put on our coil, our plate, light. Also we shall need some water. Just it's here with us, some water in this recipe. So we are going to first prepare these things. We're going to first prepare these things before we go for the bananas. So this is the saucepan I'm going to use to prepare these ingredients. With me, just here. So I'm going to put my vegetable oil to my saucepan. That's enough. So let us first give this oil some time to get ready, then we shall push on to other things. The cooking oil is ready, so we're going to start to apply our ingredients into our cooking oil. This I heat somehow. I'm going to first put my tomatoes into this thing. Just like this. Then put some salt in it to soften these tomatoes very quickly. So we're going to have some time and allow our tomatoes to get ready, then we shall apply our beans in it. I'm going to increase my heat. Yeah, so just give it some time to get ready, then we shall apply our things. Just right here. As you can see, already softened. So we're going to apply other things. In it. Put my onions into this, my green pepper into this, and put my garlic. This is our garlic. Drop it there. Our carrots. This. Carrots. This. Mix. Just like this. Adding some more salt. Then put Royco meat, curry powder. So put some on top of it. That's enough. Short mix. Some grains of water, small. That's enough. So, as you can see, this is what we're obtaining. So the way to move these things from here, we shall embark on them later. So I'm going to put our Matooke. It's already having water in it, so you can put water before. Then we shall do this. Then we shall cover up here and allow it to boil to get ready. As we can see, our bananas and the French beans, they are ready. So we're going to apply these other ingredients. To this. Just like this. So we're going to allow them to boil for some minutes. Then we shall come back and have our food ready. Just like that. Yeah, so basically that's it. You can see our food is ready. So we shall switch off this. Disconnect it. So shall lift it and put it here. Basically, this is what we have prepared. So shall put our food on our plate. Just like this. So basically, this is a very simple recipe you can do at home and have such results with it. Just like this. Shall do this. With some soup. Yeah. Apply this here. So basically, this is what we have prepared. This is how you can do this. You can use these bananas and prepare such a dish for your breakfast. thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for liking, subscribing. Yeah, thank you. May God bless you.